That's not correct. They can dua of Zakaria like in this way. We cannot. We only follow the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, how he taught us. Well, you know, because they say it's worked. I don't know how many samples they've taken from that. It worked. Okay, have they gone to the socials and asked them for samples of this? You know, it's like the COVID-19. I tried this medicine, it worked. Before it says worked, you have to really try it on lots of people. So, by the way, we can say this is revelation, this is ibadah. It's not really based upon, you know, it worked. One person came to me one day, and he said to me, you know, my child was crying, and I recited onto him Surah Al-Rahman, and he slept. I was looking at him, yes, okay. So if you recite Surah Al-Baqarah, he will not sleep. So were you giving preference to Surah Al-Rahman? So when the child now starts crying, you're going to go Surah Al-Rahman. He's like encouraging me to Surah Al-Rahman makes your child. Be careful, ya akhwana. That's Sharia. Don't make Sharia, inshallah. Let's just